here's something really cool. The batteries that go in this, there is a plug right there. And inside of this guy, see the little plug right there? Well, it's a light, okay? So you can plug in a light directly into that battery. Or, stay with me now, or what you can do is these are Sky Zone FPV goggles, analog, so they're kind of crappy. What I came to show you is, where is it? There's a camera. See, here's a camera here, same thing. Already has the transmitter. But this guy right here, you're gonna love this. So here's another camera, right? And what you can do is you can plug this camera right into the back of this correctly. And that means I would be able to fly FPV with this thing. So again, see the plug's right in there. And this is how it would sit under the chopper. If you see that. Good stuff, huh? So anyways, pretty neat. So I'd rather have FPV, you know, than a little light bulb. So all good stuff. This is the Eachine E200. So I'm pretty excited about it. I'll get it all put together, and then we'll take her out. Good stuff. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Like if you like.